Alright guys, Megatron is broken. Can we fix it? Well, better yet, should we fix it? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm super stoked to have you. My name is Michael. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. And as always, the notification bell. So anytime that I make a new video, you guys are aware of that and you guys can check it out. I am really trying to push to 1,000 subscribers. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please hit that subscribe button. Help me out, guys. I really appreciate it. So guys, I want to cover a few things today. So Megatron is busted, and in a previous video of mine, you guys saw that the distro plate has a crack in it. I got some messages on my channel. I guess this is more of a common issue than I thought, so maybe it's not something that I did when I torqued down the fitting too hard, or maybe I didn't torque it down at all. Maybe it just happens. I don't know. Maybe I got a faulty plate. But regardless of all that, I finally got a plan in place. Now, if this is your first time to the channel and this is all kind of new to you, what I'm talking about is a while back I built my ultimate gaming rig, aka Megatron. You'll see, I'll post a link down in the description below to a previous video of mine where I kind of show off the rig. Well, the EKWB distro plate that I used in the Megatron build, it had a crack in it. Now, even worse, when I first put the rig together, the EKWB distro plate, the pump on the back of it, it made a really loud whine noise, and it was going on ever since I started. It hasn't stopped. It's been running about 3 months now. So I've been debating on what I wanted to do. Now, there was a lot of different options out there to fix the pump issue, and that was just the issue only without the cracked distro plate. And EKWB and Landley decided to upgrade the distro plate with a DDC 3.2 pump, which is a much better pump than the DDC 3.1. So my original thought was just to get the upgraded distro plate and get rid of the one that I had. Now, with the distro plate being cracked, I have a better idea, and I think you guys are going to love this. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to tear down the whole Megatron build, and I'm going to redo the inside. And here's what I'm going to do, and I'm super excited about it. So EKWB has a reflection plate. Here's what it looks like. It goes in the front of the Landley OD11 Dynamic XL case. It replaces the front piece of glass. I think this thing is going to look amazing. And what I'm super stoked about it, guys, is it comes with a D5 pump. And, you know, not a 3.1 or a 3.2, but a D5 pump. I've never had a problem with any of my D5 pumps. So to me, that's one of the coolest features. And also, in a previous video of mine, I told you guys that once I hit 1,000 subs, that I was going to go ahead and take the GPU and mount it vertical instead of horizontal. I've had a lot of requests for that, so we can see what it looks like. So I'm going to do that as well. I also have a surprise for you guys, a mod that I'm going to do inside the Megatron build, but I'm not going to give it away. It's going to be a surprise, and I think you guys are going to love it. So I'm going to redo all that. I had a weird thought, and I was thinking that maybe I want to try to do use some black metal tubes instead of the chrome with some gold fittings, just to kind of change it up. But then I'm thinking, then I have to rename it, right? Because, you know, Megatron was never black. So I think I'm going to stick with the chrome tubes. I'm going to have to get some new tubes because the ones that I have aren't going to be long enough, because now they have to go all the way to the front of the case instead of where the EK distro plate is mounted right now. So all in all, guys, I think I'm probably looking at like a 5-week build here to get everything in and to get everything done. So if I say 5 weeks, let's just call it 8 weeks. But it's going to be awesome. I personally think it's going to look better than it does now. So definitely stay tuned for that. So that's the update that I have for you. So we're going to get rid of this distro plate now. The Megatron's up and running. I'm hoping it doesn't leak, you know, in the middle of the night or something bad happens. I don't think it is. I think the cracks are just on the surface. I don't think they're deep enough into the distro plate that as of right now, it's going to cause any issues. But post down in the comments below and let me know what you guys think about taking out the distro plate that I have and replacing it with EKWB's reflection plate. If any of you guys have used a reflection plate in the Landley XL case instead of just the EKW distro plate that I have, please let me know what your thoughts and your feelings are down below. I'm curious how it worked out for you. And also, guys, post it in the comments below on what kind of content you want to see from me. I know my videos are sporadic and, you know, life is just crazy, and I I always say this, but I'm really hoping someday that I could sit there and I can do this full time. I really enjoy this, and someday I really want to make it, my career. It's just a very enjoyable thing for me to do, and who doesn't want to have a job that they love to get up and go to every single morning? I think, we all do. So hopefully someday that works out for me. But that's all I got for today, guys. I just want to give you an update. I'll keep you guys on updates when the parts come in. I think the reflection plate, EK said it's going to be here on Wednesday. So instead of just making a video and showing you guys the completed build, I'll do a video next week just showing you the reflection plate, and we'll do a little bit of an unboxing, and we'll talk a little bit about it, and we'll put some of the gunmetal gray extensions in, and then the gray compression fittings from Bikesky that I used in this build, and we'll kind of take a look and see how everything's kind of looking together, and we'll put some chrome tubes, and we'll just play around with it and stuff like that. So, but guys, as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and yes, my glasses are broken. I'm waiting for a new pair, but we're not even going to edit that out. That just fell off. Guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.